If you're not receiving the push notifications on your Android app, or on the other side, if you want to turn off the push notifications from a particular app, then you need to watch this video, because that's what I'm showing you in this video. So to do that, you need to first go to the settings. In the settings, you need to access the apps and notifications option, and here you need to go to the notification management, and there you will see all the installed apps, and alongside that you will see the word enabled or disabled, meaning by that these apps notifications are enabled or they are disabled. So if you're not receiving the notifications for a particular app, like in this case my email is disabled, so you need to click this and then allow the notifications, and then you are going to receive those notifications. If you want to disable the notifications from an app, you just need to select that app. Like I don't want to see the notifications from the Instagram, so I will select that and I'll do the disallow the notification. So that's how you fix the push notifications not working issue on your Android, and disabling the notifications from a particular app. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button, share and subscribe.